Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between the TP-Link Archer A653 and Intel WR940N routers. Let's delve into four essential specifications: robust performance, security features, hardware design, and software capabilities. Wireless. Both routers offer Wi-Fi 4 standards, but the Archer A653 provides superior wireless performance with Wi-Fi 5 compatibility, supporting IE800 2.11 ASNA on the 5Gs band and IE800 2.11 AC on the 2.4 GHz band. With AC 1200 speeds, it delivers 867 MPs on the 5GHz band and 300 MPs on the 2.4 GHz band, covering medium-sized homes with its four fixed high-performance antennas and advanced beamforming technology. In comparison, the Intel WR940N offers N450 speeds, providing 450 MPs on the 2.4 GHz band, suitable for smaller homes with its three fixed antennas. Security. Both routers prioritize network security with SPI firewall, access control, IP binding, and application layer gateway functionalities. They also support guest networks for isolated guest access. However, the Archer A653 enhances security with VPN server capabilities, including OpenVPN and PEPTube support, offering secure remote access options. On the other hand, the Intel WR940N focuses on standard encryption protocols like WEP, WPA, and UPAT-WU, ensuring data integrity within the network. Hardware. Equipped with a dual-core CPU, the Archer A653 delivers robust processing power, ideal for handling multiple connected devices. It boasts 1 gigabit WAN port and 4 gigabit LAN ports for high-speed wired connections. Meanwhile, the Intel WR940N features a single-core CPU, 110-100 MPs WAN port, and 410-100 MPs LAN ports, suitable for basic networking requirements. Both routers include reset buttons, power on-off buttons, and reset buttons for easy setup and troubleshooting. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like IP4 and IP6, along with quality of service queues by a device for efficient bandwidth management. They offer parental controls, NAT forwarding options, and DCP server functionalities, while the Archer A653 introduces on-mesh compatibility for seamless integration with TP-Link one-mesh products, extending network coverage without replacing existing devices. The Intel WR940N lacks one-mesh support but compensates with its versatile working modes. In conclusion, the TP-Link Archer A653 excels in wireless performance, security features, and hardware specifications, making it suitable for users seeking a high-performance router with advanced capabilities. Conversely, the TP-Link Intel WR940N offers reliable connectivity and essential features, catering to users with basic networking needs. Thank you for watching our comparison review. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video.